Welcome to Is SimpleHold Wallet Safe? Usage Experience. Links to SimpleHold Wallet and related resources are in the description below. SimpleHold is a lightweight, secure cryptocurrency wallet designed for both beginners and experienced users who want an easy-to-use platform for managing their crypto assets. It's known for its simplicity, making it an ideal choice for those who want to store and manage multiple cryptocurrencies without the complexity often found in other wallets. The wallet supports a wide range of popular cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ET, Litecoin, LTCC, Bitcoin Cash, BCH, and ERC20 tokens. This versatility makes it a great option for users who hold a variety of assets. SimpleHold also provides full control over your private keys, which are stored locally on your device, meaning you retain sole access to your funds. This is a key feature for those prioritizing security and privacy. In terms of security, SimpleHold offers strong encryption to protect your private keys and two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added protection. The wallet is non-custodial, meaning it doesn't store your funds or information on its servers, reducing the risk of hacks or breaches. Backup options are also available through seed phrases, ensuring you can recover your wallet if your device is lost or damaged. The wallet's interface is clean and intuitive, designed for both iOS and Android, and it doesn't require any technical expertise to navigate. Its integration with the Simple Swap exchange also allows users to easily swap one cryptocurrency for another directly within the wallet, offering convenience for trading without leaving the platform. In conclusion, SimpleHold Wallet is secure, user-friendly, and perfect for anyone looking for a straightforward crypto wallet. With top-notch security features and support for multiple cryptocurrencies, it's a solid choice for users looking to safely store and manage their digital assets. For more details, check out the links in the description below.